Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and a warm welcome to the inaugural President's Trophy Water Polo Championship organized by the Royal College Union Equity Club together with the Sri Lanka Youth Services Council, doing a lot for Sri Lanka aquatic sports and water polo. And you join us with the final of the under-13 girls between Visakha Vidyalaya and Museus College.
People like us, we could actually help in a lot of ways. So that's why I'm here mainly, and definitely looking at the competition and competitiveness among the girls and the boys, that I could only see this in the right path. Come the next 2-3 years, we'll probably have one of the best.
Girls also playing as Visakha Vidyalaya notch up their fourth goal from a penalty.
They are all, competitors win somehow. So as a past professional, including ourselves, Jay, I think we have a.
But it was just Royal and St. Thomas's, the two schools, but that has grown a lot. And it's not just with water polo. You see women's sports really picking up, and in cricket as well. It's a great example for any youngsters growing up.
You want to get better. More you play, I feel more you play this sport, you'll get better rather than only practices.
As you speak, Visakha Vidyalaya notching up their fifth goal.
Hopefully, being a Wesleyite, I like to see my college as well have taken up and hopefully go big and be competitive as possible. So overall, wonderful day. Enjoyed my time. Girls and boys being more competitive when they come for the age group levels in the near future.
A very good afternoon to all our viewers. Once again, you are connected with the number one sports channel in Sri Lanka, the Papara TV. Since recent years, in those days, we have seen Royal and St. Thomas's College playing super water polo matches, super encounters between them. Now
it's an exclusion called on Museus College.
And intense battles coming up later on, going through the day. And it's over. Visakha with the counter attack now. Number 11, Seniti Premaranda. Not the best of passes there. Yet again, Visakha with the position now. Number 10, Anudya Abenayaka to number 7. And here comes Visakha Vidyalaya again. One-on-one situation, and here's another goal.
And an easy goal. As Visakha Vidyalaya break forward again and get their 18th goal with an extra man situation. An opportunity to get their second goal, which they've been looking for so long. Now in front of goal. Is it their second goal? Yes, it is. Visakha Vidyalaya had extra numbers in the pool at the restart, which prompted the penalty, and straight away the turnover on the other end. Visakha Vidyalaya on the counter attack.
These kind of initiatives definitely, as we speak, here's the 20th goal for Visakha Vidyalaya. So as you said, Jehan, so there's that experience, there's that thought when you come to this Gurudas indoor. As you speak, here's another goal.
Once again in front of goal, and an easy conversion. Gets in front of her defender. Just fingertips from the defender, taking it away from the attacker. Passing it back to the goalkeeper. And that's the end of the game. Visakha Vidyalaya with a comfortable 23-2 win in the final of the Under-13 Girls Championship for the President's Trophy.